How's it going on, guys? It is Garfunkel, and welcome back to another update in my Smile Direct Club journey. I hope you guys are excited for this update because it has been a long time coming. I have been really busy and should have made this video honestly quite a bit earlier. But I do now want to give you guys an update on what's going on with my journey through Smile Direct Club because it has not been a very straightforward one. There's been things that have been happening that are kind of out of my control, unfortunately. I want to thank you all for following my journey up until this point, and also thank those people that have been nagging me and begging me to do an updated video to see where I was at with my new smile. If you are not familiar with my journey to this point, I will definitely link the videos, the playlist down below, so that way you can watch those from the initial video moving forward. In the last update, I told you guys that I had to get reevaluated with Smile Direct Club. I was supposed to have a 4-month process, and it didn't work. It didn't finish the way that I wanted to. So I got reevaluated. They had to measure my teeth again, figure out what the new treatment plan was, and they actually ended up adding 2 more months to my treatment goals. That being said, I had to use my last month's aligners for an extended period of time. It took about a month for my new aligners to come in. And then from that point, I started wearing the new aligners. That first set of aligners were awful. And I've talked about before in some previous videos that some of the aligners were painful. These were the most painful out of any of them that I have had worn before. I promise you, I thought they were going to rip my teeth out when I took the aligners out. I was pulling with all my might. I was using the tool that they give you, that little purple hook tool. I was using that to get these suckers out, and they were not budging. I was, honestly, I was a little nervous when I tried to take those first ones out because they were not budging. And it was very frustrating, it was painful. So if you get reevaluated, that might happen, okay? I think that was the reason why I had a particularly hard time getting these ones out, is because of that reevaluation, and my teeth might have adjusted a little bit after they remeasured, but dude, it was awful, I promise you. I don't wish that upon anyone. After those first couple days, the pain did subside. It was like a normal set of aligners. Went through the second week, again, no problems, pain wasn't too bad. Went through week 3 and 4, again, no problems. I was staying positive, I was really happy. It looked like the aligners were actually moving my teeth how they were supposed to, for the most part. And then I got to the month 2, week 1 set of aligners, and that's when the trouble really started to happen. The bottom aligners fit in perfect, but then I went and put the top aligners in, and they kind of went in, but immediately after I put them in, they just like, part of it popped out. It was almost like the inside edge of the aligners were popping out. They fit nicely on the outsides of my teeth, but they would not grab onto the insides. So it was kind of weird. It was a really weird feeling. Anytime that I bit down, the aligners would shift back upwards and then fall back down. Shift back upwards and fall back down. So it was a very strange, weird feeling, like I said, but I knew there was a problem. So what I did was I just went back to my, month 1, week 3, 4 aligners, wore those for a few more days, just a little bit longer, just to see if my teeth weren't set yet, and did that, and it didn't work. You know, I was trying to troubleshoot myself, trying not to get customer service involved, and inevitably I had to get customer service involved. So at this point, I'm still wearing my month 1, or I guess it'd be my month 5, week 3, 4 aligners, and I don't have them in right now, but it's frustrating, man. So I called customer service. Right now I'm going through the process of taking pictures, the series of pictures for them to reevaluate my smile again. It's frustrating, let me tell you. But I mean, customer service has been really good. I can't fault them. You know, it happens. I do have kind of a weird case too, and I'll kind of explain that to you a little bit. But it seems like the front gap in my teeth, that was the real problem that I had initially. That's what I really wanted to get fixed. It's narrowing. There's only a tiny, tiny gap, as you can see. Tiny. But the gap on my next 2 teeth over seems like it's starting to grow. So it's like they're shifting the gap in the middle to the outside. And obviously I don't want that, but the reason I think that's happening is because your boy's still got a baby tooth. It's a fairly common problem, but I still have a baby tooth, and I was promised that there would be no problems when I got my aligners. They said that, that was like my main question, was like, I still have a baby tooth, is that gonna be a problem? And they assured me that, no, it'd be fine. So I think that's why I keep having all these problems, and that the aligners aren't fitting, but I don't think many people are gonna have these problems that I'm having, right? So I want you to know that I'm probably a rare case. I've looked on the internet, and I don't think many people are having these types of problems where they have to get reevaluated multiple times. Maybe 1 out of 10 people might have to get reevaluated, but twice I think is pretty crazy. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I'll keep you guys updated, but stay positive with me. We're gonna make it through this. We're gonna get the smile that we want because we paid so much for it. But we did save a lot in the long run, but I'm hoping it works out. Even though this video was kind of negative, if you guys are interested in Smile Direct Club, look at some of my videos before. Watch some other people's videos too, but I will leave the link down below. If you guys are interested in getting Smile Direct Club aligners, that link will help me out. I appreciate it if you do use that link. I do think you should always look positively at situations, and it may be super frustrating, but I want there to be a takeaway from the experiences that I've had with this Smile Direct Club problems, you could say. And that's stay proactive, right? If you're having issues with your aligners and you're noticing it, be proactive, get it taken care of, get it fixed immediately, so that way you're not prolonging yourself from getting your smile that you've been wanting. Be proactive, because they're not going to be the ones contacting you. You have to contact them, and their customer service, like I said, has not been bad. It's you might wait on the phone for 5-10 minutes, but then you're going to actually be talking to a human. They're going to be there to help fix your problems. If you have to go back in and get readjusted or reevaluated, I'm sorry, or if you have to just take pictures yourself. But be proactive. Don't set it on the back burner. Get it done. Get it fixed. Get your smile. Thank you all for watching the video. If you could leave that like, I would appreciate it. But other than that, stay tuned for the journey coming. It seems like it's never ending. I'm probably gonna be making videos like this for another 1.5 years, but if that's what we gotta do, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, educated, and we're gonna get through this together. So appreciate it, y'all. I will see you in the next one. Peace.